guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thanks for joining me for another CVS deals video, and this is the first week for this ad cycle and we have some good deals going on. If you're doing the Garnier facial care deal, make sure that the $3 extra care coupon we have is coming off at the register, because when I scanned the product, the $3 wasn't attaching to any of them. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. I also like to have you as a part of this channel. Subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. The first deal I have in this video is on the 5-count Belvedere biscuits. They're on sale for $3.99 and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 and they will total $7.98. Pay that and get $2 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each pack. That means you're getting back $3. On Saturday, I watched Sweet Savings Walmart Ibotta haul. He mentioned about the $5 prepaid card offer from belvedereoffer.com when you buy 2. If you don't follow him already, go check his channel out. He posts really good deals from Walmart and CVS as well. After the $5 prepaid card, these 2 will end up free and $2.02 moneymaker. The next deal I have will be on Oreo cake stars. They are part of the buy 2 get $2 back and they're on sale for 2 for $8. Pick up 2, pay $8 and get $2 back, making them just $6 or $3 each. My next deal is on General Mills cereal. You can pick up 2 Cinnamon Toast Crunch on sale for $1.99. And this is not giving back any extra care box. These 2 will total $3.98. Check your app because we have 2 $1 off 2 digital coupon that will double dip and take off $2 and drop it down to $1.98 and submit your receipt to Fetch for 300 points for buying 2. That's 30 cents, which will end up making them just $1.68 or 84 cents each. Nature Valley granola bars are also on sale for $1.99. Pick up 2 and that will total $3.98. We only have 50 cents off digital coupon that will drop it down to $3.48 for both or just $1.74 each. The Colgate deal I have in this video is not the best, but I'm only mentioning it in case you have a 10 off 70 and you need a filler item. Pick up 1 Colgate Max Fresh on sale for $3.99. Use the $2.50 coupon we have in our app that will drop it down to just $1.49. The next deal I have is spend 20 get $10 back, and Eucerin Lotion is part of this deal. Pick up 2 Eucerin Daily Hydration Cream priced at $11.79 each and they will total $23.58. Check your app, we have a $3 off coupon and I also have a $2 off Eucerin Tear Pad coupon. That will take off $5 and drop it down to $18.58 and you get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on each lotion. That means you get back $6 from Ibotta. After the extra care box and the Ibotta rebate, these 2 will end up costing just $2.58 or $1.29 each. If you're trying to do this deal and submit your receipt to Ibotta and you can't find this deal on the regular CVS page and you added it to your account, check the list because that's where mine is. My next deal is spend 20 get 10 back on Nivea hand and body lotion, lip care or body wash. Pick up 3 8.4 ounce Nivea lotion priced at $7.29 each and they will total $21.87. We have a $2 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $19.87 and you get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each lotion. That means you're getting back $6. That will make them just $3.87 or $1.29 each. My next deal is on Method hand wash. They on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 and they are priced at $5.19 and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.60. They will total $7.79. Pay that and get $2 back, making them just $5.79 or $2.90 each. The next deal I have is on Iris Spring Body Wash. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. And they are priced at $7.49. Pick up 2. The first one will be full price and the second one will be $3.75 and they will total $11.24. We have a $2 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $9.24 and you get 4 back, making them just $5.24 or $2.62 each. The next body wash deal I have is on soft soap. They on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $3 back. Pick up two and they will total $9.89. We have a $2 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $7.89 and you get three back, making them just $4.89 or $2.45 each. The next deal I have is buy two get $3 back on any Axe body wash. Pick up two Axe body wash priced at $6.49 each and they will total $12.98. We have 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.98 and you get 3 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. I have this offer on Fetch for 500 points for every $1, and here you're spending $12.98. But when it comes to spend deal with Fetch reward, it just don't work for me. So I'll leave this deal in case you do it. Then when you submit your receipt, hopefully you will get all your points. My next deal is buy two get six back on any Maybelline cosmetics. Pick up one Maybelline Fit Me blush priced at $7.79 and one Maybelline baby lips priced at $4.99. These two will total $12.78. We have a $3 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $9.78 and you get six back, making them just $3.78 or $1.89 each. Or you can pick up two Maybelline baby lips priced at $4.99 each and they will total $9.98. Pay that and get $6 back, making them just $3.98 or $1.99 each. My next cosmetics deal will be on NYX Professional Makeup. They're on the deal of buy two get six back. Pick up two NYX lip liners priced at $5.49 each and they will total $10.98. Pay that and get $6 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. The 25 count Neutrogena facial wipes are on sale for $5.69 and I believe the best way to do this deal is to pick up two. They will total $11.38. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and if you have a 3 off 10 Neutrogena Aveeno Facial Care CRT, both will take off 6 and drop it down to $6.38 for both or $3.19 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 5 back on Garnier Facial Care. Pick up two eye makeup remover pads priced at $7.79 each and they will total $15.58. We have a $3 Garnier Extra Care coupon, and if you have the 2 of 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT, that will take off 5 and drop it down to $10.58 and you get 5 back, and that will make them just $5.58 or $2.79 each. If you prefer the blackhead eliminating scrub, this would be your breakdown. They are priced at $9.99. Pick up two and they will total $19.98. Use the $3 off Garnier Extra Care coupon and the 2 of 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off 5 and drop it down to $14.58 and you get 5 back, making them just $9.98 or $4.99 each. My next deal is on Gillette Shave Foam. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $3 back. And they also priced at $3.89 each. And with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $1.95. They will total $5.84. Pay that and get 3 back, making them just $2.84 or $1.49 each. My first hair care deal in this video is on L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner. They're on the deal of buy 2 get 4 back and they are priced at $5.99 each. Pick up 2 and they will total $11.98. Check your app because we have a 3 off 2 coupon and that will drop it down to $8.98 and you get 4 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 4 back on Garnier Whole Blend shampoo or conditioner. Pick up 2 and they are priced at $6.29 each. They will total $12.58. We have a 3 off 2 coupon. We got this coupon last week. So if you still have yours, you can use it with this deal. That will drop it down to $9.58 and you get 4 back, making them just $5.58 or $2.79 each. And my next deal will be on Garnier Fructis. They're on the deal of buy 2 get 4 back. One way you can do this deal is to pick up 2 leave-in conditioner priced at $4.99 each. And they will total $9.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon we received last week if you still have yours, and it will drop it down to $6.98 and you get 4 back, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. But if you don't want the leave-in conditioner, you can pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $5.29 each, and they will total $10.58. Use the 3 off 2 coupon that will drop it down to $7.58 and you get 4 back, making them just $3.58 or $1.79 each. My next hair care deal is buy 2 get 4 back on any Monday hair care, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 2 leave-in conditioners, priced at $6.29, and the second one will be $3.15. Both will total $9.44. Pay that and get $4 back, making them just $5.44 or $4.72 each. This week, OGX Hair Care is not giving back any extra care box, but they're on sale for $6.99. Use the $3 coupon we have in our app that will make it just $3.99. And just like the Colgate toothpaste, this will make a very good filler item if you have a 10 of 17x purchase CRT. The next items are not giving back any extra care box, and that will be on the 28-ounce Ajax dish liquid or the 20-ounce Palmolive. They on sale for $2.79. Pick up one 20-ounce Palmolive dish liquid on sale for $2.79. Use the $1 coupon we have in our app, and that will make it just $1.79. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $2 back on 3 to 4 pack Kleenex tissue, and they're on sale for $5.99. Pick up 2 and both will total $11.98. We have $1 off in our app that will drop it down to $10.98 and you get 2 back, making them just $8.98 or $4.49 each. Last week we had these Huggies wipes at buy 1 get 1 free, but this week the 56 to 64 counts, they're on sale for $2 for $7, and when you buy 2 you get $2 back. Pick up 2. We have a 25-cent coupon in our app, and that will drop it down to $6.75 and you get 2 back. Then submit your receipt to Shopkick for 160 cakes on each pack. That means you get back 320 cakes, which is equal to $1.28, which will end up making these 2 packs just $3.47 or $1.74 each. My next deal is on 12 roll Scott bag tissue. They are on sale for $8.99, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2 and they will total $17.98. We have a dollar coupon in our app that will drop it down to $16.98 and you get 5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, limit of 1, which will end up making them just $9.98 or $4.99 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support every week, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.